Okay, so I'm gonna make this video kind of slow so you can like play it over and over again. But how you make the engineering stress in Excel is as follows, since I'll just show you how to do brass, because I already did this, but I'll just do it again. And then you could do the other ones. So on the top, you should label it like engineering stress or something like that. Then you click on the first data point, and you could either press this button or you could just type in equal sign, and you type in equals your load, which is the primary load. You hit that divided by pi, and then you make this weird little notation because that's how you write pi in there. Actually, oops. C3 divided by pi, and you should put a parentheses around here because it's kind of like enter and get it into your calculator. After that, you say times whatever the diameter was. I think it was like exactly a 1/4 inch divided by 2 squared, because that's how you get a cross-sectional area is pi r squared, and since we have diameters, that's how we go. It's telling me that it needs to correct it. Just say yes, because I forgot to close the parentheses. But anyway, from there, you move your thing around until you see this little cross in the corner of that particular thing, and then you just drag it all the way down. Now, a couple of these have negative numbers. You don't want to do the negatives or else it'll do some weird error. But then you type it in there. Next, to make the graph, what you got to do is you got to hit insert and then go to this graph button, insert line area or area chart, and you hit line. And from there, you got to right click it and you have to click select data. And instead of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, 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 you hit edit, and then you have to hit this arrow, because that's how you select your range from actual data cells. And then you scroll all the way up. You do the extension because you want to start from 0. And for engineering strain, it's technically the delta L over L, which is this guy. And then you hit enter, and you just hit OK. And OK, and then it should give you this graph. Now, to label your axes and stuff, you just hit this plus button, and you hit axis title, and then you just click in where you want to modify. Like here, you type something like engineering stress. I don't know where the sigma button is. You can technically do sigma if you want, but I'm too lazy to like find that, so I didn't do that. I can't spell. And then this would be just strain. Well, I just did mine as strain or elongation. And then this, you just put your title as stress v strain or engineering stress. For brass or whatever, and then you just copy and paste that into your Word document. I think that he only wants the graphs just because he did say that he doesn't want to collect like 500 sheets of paper. So that's all I did, is I just made the graph and then pasted it into the actual lab. But do what you will, and hopefully this was enough information. Otherwise, just text me.